Welcome to this tutorial on Lebesgue's business report feature. In this video, I'll walk you through how to track your business performance in real time, customize your dashboard, and generate reports for deeper analysis. So, when you first open the business report section, you'll see an overview of your key performance metrics. This dashboard gives you a snapshot of your daily performance, helping you quickly identify trends and changes. You can customize this view by simply clicking on metrics, where you can add or remove any metrics that you'd like to focus on the data that matters most to your business. And you can also adjust the time period and choose a comparison period to analyze changes over time. Now, below the metric cards, you'll find two ways to visualize your data: a graphical view known as compare metrics and a table view known as business overview. Now, the graphical overview gives you a way to compare multiple metrics over time, making it easier to identify patterns and correlations. So the table view provides a detailed breakdown of each metric by day, week, month, or year, giving you a more structured way to analyze your performance. And if you need to share your insights with your team, you can easily export this data into a report. Just click the download icon to generate a PDF or CSV file. Now, let's explore one of the newest additions to the business report dashboard, the goals dashboard, located in the top right corner. This feature helps you set, track, and measure key business goals such as revenue, orders, advertising spend, and profitability. So the goals dashboard actually provides a clear progress overview for each goal you set, and it tracks real-time data, comparing it against your targets and your historical trends. So the graphs display daily progress, allowing you to assess performance at a glance. And if adjustments are needed, you can refine your strategy based on these insights. You can edit these goals at goal settings or create a new goal and simply choose the metric and your growth target, whether it's growth since last month, growth from same month last year, or you can choose a custom target for this month to ensure that it aligns with your business vision. And by leveraging this goals dashboard, you can ensure that your business stays on track and make data-driven decisions to optimize performance. Next, let's explore custom metrics. So, in the business report section, you can select from default metrics, such as these. But if you want to tailor your analysis further, you can create your own metrics. And to do this, you can simply click on Add Custom Metric here, and it takes you to the Settings menu, actually. And in the Custom Metrics section, you can actually define a new metric by naming it, providing a description, and setting up a formula. You can choose whether it's going to be expressed through percentage, currency, or number format, and even determine whether a higher or lower value is better for your analysis. You can also choose who can see this metric, whether just you or everybody else in the shop. And once you create the custom metric, you'll notice that you no longer are in the business report section, but in the settings area, like I said. And from here, you can manage, edit, or delete custom metrics as needed. But also, since we're here, let's check out the goal settings tab in settings. So unlike the business report where you track current goals, this section allows you to manage your historical goals. Here you can review past goals, see if they were met, and simply track and analyze your progress over time. By combining real-time tracking in business reports with historical data and goal settings, you gain a comprehensive understanding of your business performance and can fine-tune your strategies accordingly. So that wraps up our tutorial on the business reports in Lebesgue. We hope this helps you make the most of your data to drive better business decisions, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.